Hi, everyone. These are I'm going to talk about my three articles that I chose. The first one is The Backward Design, Why the Backward Design is Best by Grant and Jay. This article basically talks about why the backward design is the best instructional design model so far. So its argument is based on how the design and lays emphasis on students learning and understanding more rather than on the teaching for teachers. So what I mean is it talks about thinking about the three steps in the backward design. The first one, which is identifying desired result. Having this first step helps the teacher to not focus on gathering activities, gathering learning experiences, textbooks, and all of that. Rather, it makes the teacher focus on what should students be able to do or learn, what skills should students be able to demonstrate by the end of the unit. Having the first step helps teachers to be focused on that. And then when specific learning results or learning standards have been identified by teachers in the first step, it leads into the second step, which is identifying the evidence that will support or show what students have learned. This way, teachers are not just thinking or taking the whole time on um activities. Oh, I want to do this activity. Let me do this because it's fun, it's exciting. But rather, teachers ask themselves, this activity I am choosing to do, does it connect to the set out standards and skills and learning and understandings that I have identified in the first stage? That is why this is the argument for the backward design. And I truly support this argument because truly it helps teachers, and we focus more on the students and not just on the activities and the fun things that we feel the students are going to love. The second article is the same, about the understanding by design, from Vanderbilt University. It again emphasizes on the three stages and how the first stage leads to the next stage and finally to the last one, which is about gathering experiences and instruction, where teachers begin to look at different activities and learning experiences that can be used to help students attain the learning and understanding in stage one. I again agree with the understanding by design model. I think it is the best for now and it really helps teachers. My final article is about the three research-based elements to design incredible learning experiences. The three elements are: the first is functionality, yes. The second is usability. The third is pleasurability. Functionality is the question that asked is the learning is it able to be used? Is it functional? So we ask questions such as, does it clearly state what new knowledge or skills the student should be able to take away from the unit? Are there learning objectives involved? This, to me, connects to the UBD design, where we have to identify to set out goals and understanding. The second is usability. Is it clear? Is it concise? How do we structure our learning experiences for students? And the last one is pleasurability. How do we inspire students to want to learn more about the concept? And one way I think this can be done is always trying to connect the lessons, the units to real life. Because when students see that what they're learning connects to real life, in a way, they're inspired, they're more motivated, they're engaged, they want to learn more because they know they're going to see it. And when they see it out there, they will say, oh, this is what we've been learning in the class. This is what we've been discussing. It makes more sense and it makes the lesson more enjoyable for students. So these are my three articles that I chose, and I will try to incorporate them in my learning. Thank you.